fully condemn for this kind of activities.
The nominations of all the 11 candidates who intend to contest the upcoming Lok Sabha elections from the Shillong and Tura seats were found to be valid during the scrutiny of papers here on Thursday. There are 7 candidates in fray for the Shillong seat: Amberin Lyngdoh NPP, Vincent H. Pala INC, Robert June Kharjarin RDA, Ricky A.J. Sincon VPP, Lakhon Kama Independent, Peter Chalam Independent and Manuel Badwar INC. Badwar filed his nomination as a backup candidate and will withdraw his candidature after scrutiny of nominations. For the Tura seat, Saleng Sangma INC, Agatha Sangma NPP, Zenith Sangma TMC and Laben CH Marak Independent have filed their nominations. The last date for withdrawal of candidature is March 30th.